Hi, welcome to eSpares. I'm Matt. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the door glass on an LG washing machine. Now, if your door glass has become broken or cracked, you're going to need to replace it as soon as possible. Otherwise, your machine will be liable for further damage or leaks. Thankfully, it's a pretty easy fix. Let's take a look. For this fix, you will need a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. You'll also need a new door glass, and you can find a link to these in the description below. And remember, safety first. Always make sure your appliance is switched off and unplugged from the mains before carrying out any work. The first thing you need to do on the machine is to remove the door. To do that, undo the two Phillips head screws that hold the hinge in place. Once they're unscrewed and taken out, you can then lift the hinge and the door itself away from the machine. Next, we need to remove the inner door from the outer door. Now, to do that, you need to undo all the Phillips screws around the inner door, and then using a flat-headed screwdriver, gently separate the two pieces. It's worth pointing out before I lift out the door glass bowl that there is a little triangle at the bottom of the door glass. Now this lines up with a little cutout in the outer door. So when replacing the door glass, you'll have to line these up before fitting the inner and outer door together. When fitting the new door glass bowl onto your washing machine, it's essential that you know your appliance's model number. This is to ensure that you're getting the right door glass for your washing machine. Now, if you're unsure about where to find the model number on your appliance, check out our video here. When fitting the new door glass, just make sure that the triangle at the bottom of the door glass fits into the cutout on the outer door. You can then reconnect the inner door to the outer door. To fit the two pieces of the door and the door glass and the hinge together, just make sure that the handle is going underneath the door glass. Make sure the hinge is perfectly in position. Push down, and then you can refit the Phillips screws around the edge. With the two parts of the door now reconnected, you can fit the door and the hinge to the washing machine and refit the screws. So there we have it, a new door glass fitted to this LG washing machine. Now, washing machine doors can experience other problems as well, such as getting stuck shut. If that's the case with your washing machine, check out our video here, which will give you all the guidance you need to release your door. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things eSpares, repair guides, handy appliance maintenance advice, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.